मुझसे दूर मत भागो। डोंट रन अवे फ्रॉम मी। डोंट रन अवे फ्रॉम मी। तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? वेयर आर यू गोइंग? वेयर आर यू गोइंग? हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं। वी आर विद यू। वी आर विद यू। इसे अंदर रख दो। पुट इट इन। पुट इट इन। इतना काफी है। दैट्स इनफ। दैट्स इनफ। अपने बारे में बताओ। टेल मी अबाउट योर सेल्फ। टेल मी अबाउट योर सेल्फ। ऐसे कभी मत करना। नेवर डू दिस। नेवर डू दिस। अब क्या करें? What to do now? What to do now? आराम से बैठो। Sit comfortably. Sit comfortably. तुम्हें किसने बुलाया? Who called you? Who called you? हाथ मत लगाना। Don't touch. Don't touch. तुम बस देखते रहो। You just keep watching. You just keep watching. कितना सुंदर नजारा है। What a beautiful view. What a beautiful view. आगे मत बढ़ना। Don't move ahead. Don't move ahead. तुम मतलबी हो। You are selfish. You are selfish. वह मुझे पसंद नहीं है। I don't like him. I don't like him. कुछ बोल नहीं सकता। Can't say anything. Can't say anything. ये सब हमारे हाथ में है। It's all in our hands. It's all in our hands. मैं बाद में बात करूंगा। I'll talk later. I'll talk later. खिड़की से बाहर देखो। Look out of the window. Look out of the window. क्या तुम्हें प्यास लगी है? Are you thirsty? Are you thirsty? थोड़ा धैर्य रखो। Have some patience. Have some patience. बाद में सोचते रहना। Keep thinking later. Keep thinking later. मेरे करीब मत आना। Don't come close to me. Don't come close to me. मुझे याद रहेगा। I will remember. I will remember. इसे मुझ पर छोड़ दो। Leave it to me. Leave it to me. मेरे साथ रहना। Stay with me. Stay with me. मुझसे वादा करो। Promise me. Promise me. आगे से ध्यान रखना। Take care in future. Take care in future. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? What does it matter? What does it matter? हमारे साथ रहना। Stay with us. Stay with us. मैं जरूर आऊंगा। I will definitely come. I will definitely come. इसकी चिंता तुम मत करो। Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. तुम क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? तुम्हें आना चाहिए। You should come. You should come. ये किसका सामान है? Whose stuff is this? Whose stuff is this? जल्दी कीजिए। Make it quick. Make it quick. ऐसा कब तक चलेगा? How long will this last? How long will this last? चाहे जो हो जाए। Come what may. Come what may. तुम क्या कर सकती हो? What can you do? What can you do? मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो। Leave me alone. Leave me alone. हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are we going? Where are we going? तुम नहीं समझ सकते। You can't understand. You can't understand. मुझे दिखाने दो। Let me show you. Let me show you. मेरा इंतजार करना। Wait for me. Wait for me. बात कुछ और है। It's something else. It's something else. उसने मुझे धोखा दिया है। He cheated on me. He cheated on me. अब मेरा क्या होगा? Now what about me? Now what about me? बस 2 मिनट और। Just 2 more minutes. Just 2 more minutes. मुझे समस्या हो रही है। I'm having a problem. I'm having a problem. उसका क्या नाम है? What is his name? What is his name? उसने अपना वादा तोड़ दिया। He broke his promise. He broke his promise. जल्दी मुझसे मिलो। Meet me soon. Meet me soon. ये पक्का तुम्हारा है। It's definitely yours. It's definitely yours. मुझे देखने दो। Let me see. Let me see. बिल्कुल वैसे ही। Exactly the same. Exactly the same. ये मेरा है। This is mine. This is mine. आपको थोड़ा इंतजार करना चाहिए। You should wait a while. You should wait a while. तुम सब कुछ जानते हो। You know everything. You know everything. क्या सोचते हो? What do you think? What do you think? अभी तक कहाँ हो? Where are you till now? Where are you till now? तुम कहाँ से हो? Where are you from? Where are you from? कोई आ रहा है। Somebody is coming. Somebody is coming. मैं इसे नहीं कर सकता। I can't do it. I can't do it. ये अकेला है। He is alone. He is alone. मुझे हाथ मत लगाना। Don't touch me. Don't touch me. इसे यहीं रख दो। Keep it here. Keep it here. मुझे याद नहीं है। I don't remember. I don't remember. मेरे आसपास रहना। Stay around me. Stay around me. यह मेरी जिम्मेदारी है। It's my responsibility. It's my responsibility. मुझे थोड़ा विराम दे। गिव मी अ ब्रेक। गिव मी अ ब्रेक। समय नहीं है। देयर इज नो टाइम। देयर इज नो टाइम। उसने गलत किया। ही डिड रॉन्ग। ही डिड रॉन्ग। मुझे तुमसे काम है। आई हैव वर्क विद यू। आई हैव वर्क विद यू। वह क्या था? What was that? What was that? मेरी हालत ठीक नहीं है। My condition is not good. My condition is not good. आप सब कुछ जानते हैं। You know everything. You know everything. मुझे मत बताओ। Don't tell me. Don't tell me. सब ठीक हो जाएगा। Everything will be all right. Everything will be all right. ऐसा सोचना भी मत। Don't even think so. Don't even think so. मैं वहां जाना चाहती हूँ। I want to go there. I want to go there. इन सब बातों को छोड़ो। Leave all these things. Leave all these things. उसे यहां से जाने बोलो। Tell him to leave here. Tell him to leave here. कुछ देर के लिए उसे भूल जाओ। Forget him for a while. Forget him for a while. कुछ उपाय बताओ। Tell me some solutions. Tell me some solutions. मैं तुम्हें कुछ दिखाता हूं। Let me show you something. Let me show you something. आप गलत समझ रहे हैं। You are misunderstanding. You are misunderstanding. सब कैसे चल रहा है? How is everything going? How is everything going? अब यह आप पर निर्भर है। It's up to you now. It's up to you now. उसे जाने मत देना। Don't let him go. Don't let him go. तुम्हारा क्या होगा? What will happen to you? What will happen to you? मेरा हो गया। I have done. I have done. काम पर लग जाओ। Get to the work. Get to the work. कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? तुम मेरी बात नहीं सुनते। You don't listen to me. You don't listen to me. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। I don't want anything. I don't want anything. मैं तुम्हें सब कुछ बताऊंगा। I will tell you everything. I will tell you everything. मैं प्रयास करूंगा। I will try. I will try. इसके बारे में तुम मत सोचो। You don't think about it. You don't think about it. मुझे वहां ले चलो। Take me there. Take me there. कोई तैयार नहीं है। No one is ready. No one is ready. गलती मत करना। Don't make a mistake. Don't make a mistake. यहां से मत जाना। Don't leave here. Don't leave here. मुझे हंसाओ मत। Don't make me laugh. Don't make me laugh. वह हमेशा झूठ बोलता है। He always lies. He always lies. आज गर्मी है। इट इज हॉट टुडे। इट इज हॉट टुडे। मुझे पैसों की जरूरत है। आई नीड मनी। आई नीड मनी।